Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're making an incredibly flavorful and hearty pork and yellow lentil stew, all done in under 35 minutes in your pressure cooker. It's rich, it's satisfying, and it's packed with protein. Let's get right into it. You'll need 1 kilogram or about 2 pounds of pork shoulder, cut into 1-inch pieces. 1 cup of rice. This is going to thicken it up and make it super hearty. Half a cup of yellow lentils, also called moon dal. Give them a quick rinse. 1 large, finely chopped onion, and about 6 cloves of minced garlic for that amazing base flavor. 1 carrot and 1 potato. For our liquid, 8 cups or 2 liters of chicken stock. Water works, but stock adds so much more depth. And our seasonings: salt, black pepper, a little MSG for that ultimate umami punch. It's optional but awesome. A teaspoon of ground coriander and 2 bay leaves. All right, let's build some flavor. With your pressure cooker on the sauté function, add a little oil and toss in your chopped onion. Sauté for about 2 to 3 minutes until it starts to soften, then add the garlic for another 30 seconds until fragrant. Now add your pork pieces. We're not cooking it all the way through. We just want to get a little color on the outside. This step is key for flavor. Give it a good stir and let it sear for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now we add everything else directly into the pot. The rinsed yellow lentils, the uncooked rice, all your seasonings, the salt, pepper, MSG, coriander, those 2 bay leaves, and carrot and potato. Now pour in all that beautiful chicken stock. Give it a really good stir, making sure to scrape any bits off the bottom of the pot. That's pure flavor right there. Seal the lid and set it to high pressure for 20 minutes. It'll take about 10 minutes to come up to pressure, so total cook time is around 30 to 35 minutes. While that works its magic, you can clean up and get your garnishes ready. The moment of truth. Once the timer is up, do a quick release. Carefully open the lid and just smell that. Wow. Give it a stir. The pork is fall-apart tender, the lentils have melted right in, and the rice has made it so thick and hearty. Now taste it and adjust. Need more salt or pepper? Add it now. If it's too thick for you, just stir in a little hot water until it's perfect. Ladle it into bowls, and the garnishes are non-negotiable. Green onions, cilantro, some crispy fried garlic, and a serious drizzle of chili oil or a dash of soy sauce takes this to another level. That's it, a ridiculously easy one-pot wonder that tastes like it's simmered all day. Perfect for a weeknight, but special enough for company. Give it a try. Please like, share, and subscribe, which helps me grow my channel.